Hi guys, today I want to talk a little bit about cosigners. So cosigners can be helpful if you are needing to qualify for a home and you don't quite have the income necessary to be able to qualify for that loan amount. Cosigners help with income calculations and they can help with assets, but you can't use their good credit if you have less than good credit. So we actually use the lowest middle credit score of all borrowers, including cosigners, in a file for qualifying. So if you're in a situation where you possibly don't have the qualifying income, you may have actual income, but the lender won't use it because possibly it hasn't been received long enough, or it just doesn't fit in the category for the type of financing that you're getting. You may want to have a cosigner, and what we do is we take all of their income, add it to all of your income, and when I say income I mean qualifying income, and that is the type of income that a lender uses to help figure out what mortgage amount you can qualify for. We take all of their income, your income, all of their debts, as well as all of your debts, including if they have paid off their house, we will use their housing expense, which would be their taxes and insurance. If they don't own a home, we would use their rental payment in the calculations. We put it all together in one bucket and view it as one entity and qualify you for a new loan amount. A couple things to keep in mind. Your loan that they co-sign for will show on their credit. So if they are going to want to qualify for something, that payment will be calculated in their new budget. Also, if you make a late payment, it will count on their credit report. So there's a responsibility there, and the idea is that if you run into trouble, they're going to back you up. So after 12 months of you making the payment from your own account, then if they are going to qualify for something else, they can have you provide 12 months consecutive payment history with canceled checks or showing it coming out of your bank account, and then they don't have to count it in their budget, but it will count in their credit history. So if you're late on it, then they're late on it. So be very careful with that. You can, after a time, once you can qualify on your own, you can refinance. You would need to refinance the whole mortgage in order to take them off the loan. They can't quit claim off the title just to come off the loan. So you'll want to make sure that you are able to qualify after a certain amount of time, or you set up some realistic expectations. But it can be a great way to qualify for a home if you just don't quite fit in the box. So if you have any questions on this, let me know.